Alright, and on this occasion, it is my honor to invite our distinguished speaker on stage. Please join me in welcoming to Mr. Felix Shang, Sales Director, Unitree Robotics.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, everyone. This is Felix Shang from Unitree Robotics. Today, I'm very honored to be invited by my partner, Citronics, to be here to introduce my company and to share the knowledge of robots. And we all know, the robot technology going very fast. So if we don't want to fall behind others, we need to know the robot and to master the robot. I think everyone here must want to master the robot and want to use the robot eventually. So no further ado, I will start my pitch. Okay, I will introduce my company firstly. My company established from 2016. For now, 9 years. And we have achieved many awards. So you can see the list of this slide. And we are the first company public retail the robots in this world. And for sales, we are for the quadruped robots. The sales account for 16 and 17% of this world. So it means if you see 10 robots in the road, it may be 6 or 7 from my company. For the mission of my company is want to bring the robots to many people's life and also want to bring changes to the industry to make this world better and better. And for this slide is all products of my company, from the first one to now, G1, H1. And in the future, we will have many new products. And you can see, this slide is the main product currently on sale now. And on the left is the hardware, and right is solution. We can see this slide. You will know my company is mainly sells hardware robot, but in the future we will provide more solution. The hardware including the small robot like Go2 and the middle robot A2, big robot dog B2, and the R1, G1, H1, H1-2. And the solution, B2 inspection and B2 firefighting. The Go2 is the best-selling product. And we can see many scenarios for this product. The Go2 targeted for different market. One is consumer market. The Go2 can do many special moves like a forward jump and rolling and stretching. And also can use in the education. You know, some students, they want to know the robotic technology. So they will to use the robot to learn the robot's knowledge more. And another scenario is for the life and the industrial. The robots also can equip with some sensor like acoustic sensor, like some mechanic arm to grab something. Another very hot-selling human robot is G1. G1 can use for the performance, like some dancing, boxing, also for some industrial application. Like you can see this video. The G1 is to open the button in a power plant. This is someone is to remote control this robot. So in the future, the G1 also can automatically to do some task. Another one is R1 released this year. The R1 about 120 centimeter, just 25 kilo. And the G1 is about 35 kilo. So this different size human robot. And the R1 is also a good product for consumer and for education. And you can see his hand sleeve. The R1 also have 25 to 40 free of dome. This is H1, a big human robot for the industrial application and also for the education. We can see the first video is Spring Festival Gala in China. This is for performance. Another one is for the education and for some industrial. H1 Gun2. So another very good product is the B2. B2 is a product focused on the industrial application. We can see this video. This is a B2 wheel. So this B2 wheel can work in any terrain, climb stairs and work in climb mountain, and also can jump. So if in the future, if you want to carry something, the B2 also a good partner. The B2, the payload about 40 kilo to 100 kilo. The battery can last about 4 or 7 hours. If you have a charging board, this B2 wheel also can automatically charging, so you don't need to worry the battery. You can see this amazing movies of the B2. The B2 now used in many scenarios, industrial scenario, like the power plant and the chemical factory and the steel factory and some dangerous and dirty and duplicate to replace people, do some repetitive job. So we can see this slide. This dog equipped with the LiDAR and the gas sensor and the optical camera and the infrared camera to detect the temperature and also to take a picture. So if you have this dog, you don't need to go outside. You just stay in your office, see your computer. You can know outside the scenario. And we can see this video to show the B2 performance. This video is my company supply to a solution to my customer. This dog now in a power plant to do automatically. This robot dog no need to remote controller to control this dog. And this to test the stable. And this dog also can carry 25 kilo, also can climb stairs. This automatically charging. So if the battery below the 20% or 30%, the dog will go back to charging station, automatically charging. This is the dog to test the ability. This is another solution, and my company supply directly to my customer. Is for fire rescue. We have 3 types of firefighting dog, and one is a detection robot dog. This dog is to, you can see, and he can into the dangerous area to take a photo and to detect the life and use the infrared sensor to detect the temperature. And this another device, this firefighting dog with water color, so he can spray the water. The distance of the spray water about 60 meters. And also with the water color can, so these are 3 firefighting dogs of my company. Except on top of the inspection and firefighting, we also have another scenario for the robotic dog. And this one is released last month, the new product of my company, the middle-size robotic dog, A2. A2, the difference between A2 and B2 is the size. The payload is same. And this A2 with 2 batteries, even 1 battery, this dog also can work. Also can do many amazing moves. You can see just 1 leg, he can also to work. The fast speed for this dog about 5 meters per second. This dog also can equip with wheel. The charging time about 1 hour for this dog. Also can automatically charging. So in the field, you can see the payload for this dog about 100 kilo. Climb stairs about 100 centimeters. Next time I will bring the A2 to Thailand. You can see the fast speed, about 5 meters per second. Also can do some dangerous moves like a bank flip. This dog equipped with 2 LiDAR. So this dog can easy to recognize the environment, also can carry something in the future. If you go hiking in the mountain, this dog will be your good partner. This to test the payload and the distance for this dog. You can see this dog can run 20 kilo. So the competitive of my company, we can see about these 3 aspects. First one is the hardware. We have our own factory in Hangzhou, China. So we can manufacture this dog independently. And we also have many engineers in China. So we can develop the perception and the motion control of the robotic dog and also human robot. And with the technology of AI, we also will develop more new function of robotic dog and human robot. These are patents of my company. We are the company with the most patents in China regarding the human robot and the robotic dog. We also invited by many famous events like Super Bowl, like Olympic Games, also GTC in India. We collaborate with many famous companies and very famous university. We want to create an ecosystem. In the future, we will create more new products for many industry and to bring more benefits to many people's life. Okay, that's all my speech today. If you want to know more about robotic dogs and human robot, you can ask my distributor, Systronics, He will give you professional service in Thailand. Okay, that's all my today's speech. Thank you.